Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is a discussion of the qualities and skills of a leader. Myself, Samir, and my partner Abdul will be hosting this program. So the question is, what are the qualities and skills of a leader? Today, we will be covering part 1 of the program, with part 2 scheduled for next week. Today, we will be discussing the necessary qualities and skills of a leader. Research shows that the qualities and skills of a leader include, but are not limited to, being a visionary leader. There are many different aspects that it comes with being a visionary leader, which includes strategic thinking, the ability to see the bigger picture and develop long-term strategies, having a clear vision to communicate a compelling vision that guides and motivates the team, having an innovative mindset to embrace creativity, encourage new ideas, and foster innovation, to inspire leadership, lead by an example, inspire passion, and maintain a positive attitude, having a long-term focus to prioritize initiatives that align with the vision and avoid short-term distraction, having the ability to be adapt and flexible, to embrace change, adjust strategies as needed, and stay agile. And finally, to empower others, delegate effectively, trust team members, and create a collaborative environment. These qualities and skills are essential for visionary leaders to drive success in project management and organizational leadership. The second skill and desired quality of a leader is being optimistic and positive, which includes having a positive outlook, maintaining a constructive and hopeful attitude even in challenging situations. It's to have resilience, to bounce back from setbacks, focus on solutions and opportunities. Being a motivational leader, to inspire and energize team members by showcasing optimism and positivity. Is to have problem solving skills, to approach problems with a can do attitude, seek solutions, and learn from failures. It's to boost team morale. It's to guide and create a supportive work environment through positive interactions. It's having a vision alignment to connect optimism with the organization vision and reinforce long term goals. And finally, having corrective communication to communicate positively and effectively, fostering a culture of optimism and collaboration. These qualities contribute to a leader's ability to navigate difficulties, motivate teams, and maintain a productive and harmonious work environment. The third skill and quality of a leader in a leadership role is being collaborative, which includes many aspects such as team integration, to foster a cohesive and united team by encouraging collaboration and teamwork. It's communication, to promote open and transparent communication channels to share ideas and information. It's respect and inclusion, and value diverse perspectives, treat team members with respect, and promote equal access to opportunities and resources. It's empowerment, empower team members to contribute their expertise and take ownership of tasks. It's conflict resolution, to address conflicts constructively, promote dialogue, and find win win solutions. It's having shared goals, aligning team members' efforts with common goals and objectives to achieve collective success. Finally, networking. Build external partnerships and networks to leverage resources and expertise for project success. Being collaborative enhances team performance, fosters innovation, and creates a positive work environment. Being collaborative enhances team performance, fosters innovation, and creates a positive work environment conducive to achieving project goals. The fourth skill and quality of a leader is managing relationships and conflict, which incorporates building trust, establishing trust with team members and stakeholders through transparency and integrity. It's satisfying concerns, addresses concerns and needs of individuals involved to maintain positive relationships. It's to seek consensus, encourage collaboration, and seek consensus to resolve conflicts and make decisions. Balancing competing goals. Manage competing goals by prioritizing and finding common ground. Applying skills. Utilize persuasion, negotiation, compromise, and conflict resolution techniques effectively. Developing networks. To build and nurture personal and professional networks for support and collaboration. Is to have a long term view, recognize the importance of long term relationships alongside project goals. Finally, political acumen. Continuously develop and apply political acumen to navigate complex relationships and dynamics effectively. Part 1 of this program concludes here. Stay tuned for part 2 in the next episode, where we will examine the remaining skills and qualities essential for effective leadership. We will cover the comprehensive aspects of a leadership to further enhance your understanding and capabilities as a leader.